Hi everyone and mabuhay! Welcome back to another video, and for today's video you guys will be crocheting with me Filipino food. Disclaimer, these videos are not tutorials, rather they are just run-throughs. But if you guys do want the pattern to these, they are free on my Instagram, so please be sure to go check it out. Anyway, enough babbling, let's move on to the video. First up on our menu is Quack and Squid ball. Now the reason why both of these are together is because they have the same pattern. You guys just have to change the color of the balls. Now a bit about them. These are popular street foods here in the Philippines, and they are mostly bought after school or after work as snack. Now Quack is a hard-boiled quail egg dipped in an orange batter. Now the reason why it's orange is because of the anaconda powder. And just to clarify, just because it's orange doesn't mean it's cheese flavored. I heard someone say once that it was orange because it was cheese flavored, and I'm just like, no, it does not taste like cheese at all. Now I just really wanted to put it out there. Now squid ball is basically chopped up squid that's turned into a ball and deep fried. The same with Quack once it is dipped in the orange batter. Now you guys eat this with a sweet sauce or a spicy sauce, but you can also eat it with vinegar and I don't know what it's called, but it's a mixture of vinegar, onions, and chili, and it is my preferred sauce whenever I eat these street foods. But others prefer the sweet sauce, sweet and spicy, and all that stuff. Next up, we have Suman. Suman is a sticky rice cake wrapped in either a banana leaf, coconut leaf, or a palm leaf. And it is usually eaten with sugar or coconut shavings. Now, personally, I prefer the brown sugar. What's really interesting about Suman is it actually varies per region. So there's like a huge variety of suman depending on which part of the Philippines you are in. Now, the color of the suman that you see right here on the video is actually brighter than the normal ones. Sometimes it's white, sometimes it's sort of limeish green, other times it's a lighter brown. So it really depends. I just chose this color of yarn just to make it cuter and more bright and more vibrant. Anyway, as a child, I do remember eating suman, and it was my cousin's favorite and mine as well, especially when my grandparents would come home from the province. Our third runner-up is another rice treat, which is kuchinta. And this is a small, steamed, sticky rice cake. Now, the main ingredient in kuchinta is lye water, which is also the same ingredient that you guys use in Chinese mooncakes, which give it that springy texture and that rich color. Now, kuchinta, personally, I eat it with, that caramel. That's why later on you guys will see a little dollop that looks like a poop emoji, which is supposed to symbolize the caramel. Hopefully, you guys understand. But others actually eat it with coconut shavings. Now, the first time I ate kuchinta, I remember my dad bringing it home from work because he bought it, and I just finished it all. And it became one of my favorite snacks here in the Philippines. And last but not the least, our last item in the menu is Puto. Now, Puto is another steamed rice cake. You would be surprised how much rice trees we have here in the Philippines. I was honestly surprised. Now, Puto is actually, I would call it the cousin of Kuchinta, because apparently both of them are muffins. Now, the difference that Puto has with Kuchinta is that it has a small pocket of cheese down in the middle. So it's really cute, it's really tiny, and it just accentuates the flavor of the puto, if that makes sense. I don't know what I'm saying, I'm not really a chef, but I just know it's good. And it's not really as springy as kuchinta. Now usually, the way you would eat puto is you would eat it as a snack, Or you can pair it with dinuguan or pancit. I personally just eat it alone, but others really like it when you eat it with dinuguan and pancit. I think I also failed to mention that puto comes in different colors as well, which makes it 100 times cuter. Now that is all for this video. I hope whatever I said made sense and you guys learned something. If you guys think I missed information, please comment them down in the comment section below. Or if you guys want me to crochet something else that's Philippine related, I am open to that. I'm honestly planning on a lot more Philippine related content because I do want to make more of these videos. So please tell me in the comments below if you guys enjoyed it. Also, please tell me which one of the ones I presented is your favorite. And I hope you guys enjoyed because I definitely did. And don't forget to always create with a smile. Bye guys, and I will see you in the next one.